how to create mods in Opera GX. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create mods in Opera GX. So without further ado, let us begin. So first thing you have to do is open up Opera GX and then just click on this mods icon right here. And then from there, what you want to do is click on create. And then from there, it will lead you to a GitHub page. And then from there, what you want to do is just go to code and then just click on download zip. And then after downloading that, what you want to do is just extract the file to anywhere. So for me, I extracted mine on the desktop. And then after that, what you want to do is open up the folder that you extracted. And then from here, what you want to do is go to documentation, go to mod template, and then just copy this, go back, go to mods, and then just paste it here. And then from there, you can rename that folder. So I'll just rename mine to test. And then from there, when I open this folder, as you can see, I can edit a lot of stuff over here. So I can edit the keyboard sound, the music, the shaders, the sound of the clicks, the closing tabs, the hovers, the wallpaper, the web modding, the icon, the license. And then when I click on manifest.json right here, I'll get to edit more stuff like the name, the description, the developer, the icons, and a lot more. So feel free to tweak these settings out. And then once you're done making your mod, what you want to do is just exit out in this folder right here, go to Opera GX, and then go to extensions, and then just click on load unpack. And then what you want to do is just look for the GX mods main folder, go to mods, and then search up for the mod that you made. So mine is test, click on select folder, and then as you can see, the mod is now added to my Opera GX. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to make mods in Opera GX.